now we reviewing some food and Greek, Lebanese food. You know what I'm talking about? First time having it. You know, I wanted to try something that's over the water. You know, a different culture, different country. So I want to give it a shot. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna tell you what I got into the food. He said in like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Squash, baba nooch, crab leaves, and salad.
Thank you.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro.
I ain't never had Lebanese food.
Yeah.
It's about to be real, you feel me? Real tasty. I'm trying to see what it's in for.
Shit.
You know?
Shit. We about there.
We got a little king dog with us.
King dog is definitely with us.
The good thing about recording at the same time.
Yeah. No. Yeah. He eating fries though. How they good? How they taste? They good? He tasting some Lebanese restaurant fries right now. He's saying they good. So y'all see what I got, right? I think he explained it perfectly for you guys. You know what I'm saying? I think he explained it perfectly. Yo, what we finna do though? Because he got something that I don't got, I got something he don't got. So we about to break it down and divide it up so you know we have equal whatever. So what we did was we divided everything we got because he got 5 or something different. I ain't got, and I got 5. So we just separated each portion.
So they have everything on their menu.
Yeah.
Everything on the menu. It tastes a little bit.
It tastes a little bit of everything. But look, listen, right? I don't want to be annoying to the guy, but I can't remember everything that's on this plate. So I can't say, all right, I can identify the squash, I can identify the hummus, I can identify the lentils, I can identify the eggplant. I don't know. Oh, I think I can. I just don't know what this is, and I don't know what this is. So. What you taste and how it tastes? He tasted the okra. Yeah, that's okra. I don't know we don't know what this is, but we finna try. We gonna dip it inside the. I'm gonna try to see. Hold on. I'm gonna try to see it. Dip it inside the hummus. It has like a seasoning on it, like some oil.
Oh damn. Oh damn. I ain't gonna lie.
What it taste like?
That shit busting.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie. That joint tastes like a chicken nugget on steroids.
No, man.
It's just like a chicken nugget on steroids. Look, he done with dipping into it. What else? What else? All right. I'm going in for some. I'm going in for some. We don't know what this is. It's like it's wrapped in some type of leaf. But when I bite it, I can tell you. Let's try.
That's mysterious. It's like a sushi.
Oh, it's bitter. It's like vinegar on here. It's like rice.
That's island.
I don't like it.
That's island. I like it. The more bitter it is, I like it.
I don't like it. I ain't messing with it. You want to pick something to try? It's on you. Nice, you just try cook.
Nah, my bad.
Pick something to try.
Let's try this right here.
This? Nah. I don't need, nah. This is, like the eggplant. Yeah, it's like the eggplant. Eggplant and
tomatoes.
Sorry.
Sure. How's it been going, guys? Doing good?
Great.
I don't like it.
You don't like that either?
I don't like it. That's eggplant, but I don't like it. It ain't seasoned to my. You know what I'm talking about?
I might even want some fat.
You know what I'm talking about? Alright. Wait, so you got a mix. Alright, so let's try the this is okra. This is okra.
We tried the okra.
Nah, that's eggplant. This is the okra. Alright. Yes, but I'm gonna try the okra. That was better. But I never liked okra. The fact that it's slimy. I ain't fucking with it.
I ain't gonna lie, I started eating okra, so I got that now.
I ain't fucking with it.
Little squash.
I'm gonna try the squash. I'm gonna try the squash.
Thank you.
Squash good. That's 2 for 2. 2 for 2. What we doing? The lentils, the beans,
Rice.
lentils and rice. Lentils and rice. Lentils and rice. That's good. It needs salt, but it's good. It's good. I think everything on here needs some salt. I ain't gonna lie. But it's good. It's good. I give this food a rating of 7.5.
7.5.
What you think?
7.5.
7.5. Would I recommend it? Yeah, but probably not. Like 2 things on my plate. Everything else, thumbs up. Thumbs up.
We have to do like our first ever dance competition, and then this, and then our new one.
Good. Oh yeah, man, we got some type of like pita bread or something. I don't know. It look good though. It look good. We about to try it. I'm gonna dip mine. I'm gonna dip mine in hummus. You know, this hummus is hitting. This hummus is hitting. I ain't gonna lie to you. Hummus hitting, bro. Yeah. Listen, man. What we're really trying to do is show you guys that you can eat healthy and clean and still be satisfied. You know what I'm saying? You still be satisfied with healthier foods. You're gonna get the same result. You're gonna get better results. I ain't gonna say the same. The only thing gonna be the same is the fullness, but not the healthiness. You're not gonna get the healthiness of it. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah.
you're full.
You're full, but you're not
feeding your
benefits of it.
you're not changing the oil in your car.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about?
Eventually, your engine gonna break.
Your engine going, your transmission, your legs ain't gonna work. Your heart gonna be slower. Man, health is wealth, man.
You tried that.
That's good too. The salad. That's what we forgot. The salad with the salad actually good. Let me know anything y'all want us to do. We definitely going to take care of y'all.
A lot of content on the way.
For sure.
A lot of business ventures. A lot of travels. We're just living it up, man.
Take it to the next level. Make us around, we say it's levels to this. As you can see, we're taking it to the next level. You did. Hey, man. So, as you can see, we finished.
Face is demolished.
Yeah, done.
It was an absolute journey.
Done.
Lebanese and Greek food.
It's called Alabisha. Yeah, man. Like, follow, and subscribe. You did.
Show y'all things.
It's gonna be in the description. You did. Lavi Guap. You're up out of here. It was a blessing.